as he shushed us. Welcome to the Thebaldcooks! What are we doing, Brad? We are cooking 1.1 metres worth of the bald breakfast baguette.
So, in our breakfast baguette, we're going to be loading it up. So it's a breakfast on a plate, but in a baguette. 1.1 metre long, bald style baguette.
We have got 14 rations of bacon, 16 odd hash browns, we've got 12 flat mushrooms, we've got 16 sausages, 10 eggs, 4 beef tomatoes, 5 sweltered down onions.
Whoa, baby!
All in one baguette, brother. We've cooked everything, it's all been in the oven. It's now time to construct.
Yeah, we've had to pre-cook everything on this because as you can see,
there's quite a lot of food there.
there is a little bit to
That's a lot of food, and we were just having a laugh and we said, listen, we know we can cook, we know we can do steaks, we know we can do whatever else, but what we're going to try and do is do some videos on a large scale, right, Tone?
Yeah, large scale videos. So, our first off was, because we're builders, sort of, and because we like our grub, we thought we'd do a builder's breakfast.
Breakfast baguette.
In a baguette.
Are you buttering right to the edge, Tone?
Oh yeah, we've got to have butter right to the edge, haven't we?
If you ain't going to butter to the edge, Tone, what's that, mate?
No point doing no butter at all,
Don't
is
butter it at all.
Look at that, mate.
You buttering top and bottom?
Top and bottom. We're going to go top and bottom, and we're going to put cheese as well in this. We know you don't have your cheese on a breakfast, but
I don't know, when we go snap wagon, Sam,
you like a bit of cheese on the bacon,
like
sausage,
yeah,
onion,
yeah.
Go for the lot.
Yeah.
Look at these. Look. Let me just flip that over and show you, Sam. Look at these.
These where? Oh, actually,
Our baker
in Little Hampton,
Old Oven Bakery.
the Old Oven Bakery, specially made these for us. They're
fresh.
extra long, fresh. We picked them up this morning.
They were still hot. When we picked these up, they were still hot.
Next week, we're doing a 12-inch burger. So we've already ordered it already, haven't we?
Yeah. We've ordered up the bread for it already, the bun. It's going to be like a brioche bun with seeds on it. And then we're going to make ourselves 2 patties, 2 big 12-inch diameter patties. And then we're going to go in that one with bacon, everything. Bacon.
Lovely, jubbly, baby.
Right,
Wow.
so here we go.
So now, sauce on top of that.
Sauce on top of that, let me just get rid of, let's put the...
Sam, what are you saying? Sauce top and bottom, bruv?
Yeah, boy.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes, Bradley.
Bye.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start coming along with some cheese now, Brad, yeah?
Cheese. And then on top of the cheese, we're having, we agreed on sausages?
Yes, I think so. Sausages, mate.
Look at them, bruv.
Sausages on there. Oh, look at that. This is the French stick to die for.
Oh.
How many people do you now feed? 6? Easy.
Six if you've got a big end mouth and that.
Yeah.
But you could easily feed double that, really, couldn't you?
You
With
could
the
do.
amount we're going in with it.
We're going to load it right up, haven't we? So we're going to go sausages and then we're going to go
You want to go
mushrooms?
sausages and mushrooms, you said?
Sausages and then mushrooms. Okay. Sausages and
So you've got to give me a little plate or something to put some of this on so we can do it from here.
Yeah, of course. Want to bring some over there?
Yes.
Yeah. Come over there, mate. What I shall do is, I shall get this going.
Sam, come and have a look at all this gear here, bro.
That's all going in one French stick.
Bro, are we going to fit that in?
Yeah, we're going to give it a go, aren't we? Look at these mushrooms.
That's
look.
a lot of gear.
Look at the juice out of the mushrooms. Beautiful, beautiful. That's not oil, that's the juice out of
Oh,
the
that's the
mushrooms.
water. Yeah.
Look at that,
the
mate.
juice from the mushrooms, bro.
That is fantastic. In actual fact, mate, that is, oh, that's something else, isn't it?
We've already had a cheeky mushroom, didn't we, with tomato and cheese there?
Beautiful,
Yeah, that
actually,
was
isn't it?
nice.
Sam liked that, didn't you?
I did enjoy
I'm
it.
actually looking forward to doing the burger as well next week.
The burger's going to be wicked.
Oh, it's going to be something else, mate. It's gonna be something
What are you saying, G?
else. Yeah,
We're
look,
saying we're making monsters, bro. What are
Look.
you saying we're making monsters, bro?
look at this, mate. So
We
now
have
we're going to
got
go in.
loads. We've got more than enough sausages.
More than enough sausages have we got.
Should we go more? Do you want to go
You
more
wanna-
in there?
You want to?
You got them?
Why not? Like a couple more through the top, do you think?
Yeah.
Maybe, look, can we get another one through
That's
the
what
top?
I'm
What about
thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
Right, let's pull them off then, Brad. And what we do is we get another one through the top. So as you see, if you watch a couple of our other videos, we sort of changed the remit a little bit, haven't we?
Yes.
Because it's evident, listen, lots of people can cook, lots of people know how to make lamb and mash and all the rest of it. So we thought we'd be doing something a little different.
Yeah, we're judging that. We're bringing America to England.
We are, aren't we? Mate, look.
Hey? Oh, you're one short.
One short.
Spread that a little bit.
We spread the load. It's not like we ain't got nothing there. What else are we going to do? Should we let them into little secrets? What else are we going to do? Down the line.
Down the line.
Down the line, yeah.
Loads to do.
We've got loads to do, mate. We've got absolutely loads to do. We're going to be doing...
I'm going to have to turn that round. Is that going to be a better construction?
Yeah, exactly.
Flop her over.
Right. What happens is the stalks on them are going to hold us up a little bit, aren't they? When you put them down, I'll push them.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, that's a nice big one, isn't it?
Oh, that's what she said.
Ooh, did she?
No.
Oh, are we going to be short? Or are you going to chop that one in half?
I'm going to chop that. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon chop that one in half, mate. Yeah. Yeah, Brad.
Chopping it?
Brad. I'm chopping it up, mate.
Done it already?
Yeah. See what I'm going to do. What that's all got there. Brad's just having a look at the tomatoes. Got the tomatoes on the go behind us.
Onions.
And the
Tomatoes
onions.
are off. Onions are beautiful. They're looking wicked, man.
Actually, the onions, to be
look
fair,
wicked.
the onions took the longest to cook out of everything.
Well, that looks good already.
Don't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice,
We're
isn't it?
going Tom's on top of that now.
Yeah, we go Tom's on top of that. Oh, yes.
What are you saying, Sam? Talk to me, bro, from a spectator's point of view.
Does that look alright, yeah?
He's mental.
Oh,
She's gone.
no, Tom's going, bro.
It's alright, it's alright.
You got her?
Ooh, look at that, mate. Right, what we're going to go next? Bacon. Bacon's going to be our next move on this one.
Oh, brother, that's good, bro, isn't it?
We're actually going to do as well at some point, we're going to do a whole chicken.
Oh, we were going to, yeah. We were going to crisp up a whole chicken with crumb. With big ass chunky chips, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Man's, basically the remit is proper geezer food. When you're out with your pals, you could be a geezer, you could be a bird, you could be a geezer bird.
You can be anything you like.
Anything you like,
Bit
but
indifferent, transgender.
Anything you like. Oh, you went there.
I went there, didn't I? I went there.
Oh.
But listen, it's for everyone. This is for everyone.
Oh, Sam, what are you saying, bro? That one's a slippery slider, isn't
Oh
it?
yeah, slippery slideys. We've actually got in here as well. We went for a bit of both. We went for a bit of streaky bacon, and then we went
hash brown,
for
mate,
a little bit of little bit of normal back bacon. This is our first run through of this. We don't do no other takes, do we?
Mate, this is it.
This is it. We're going to go straight in
You
with
can't,
this.
you can't be throwing this sort of food away, bro.
Look at it all. What we're going to do with this food after, Sam?
Sam wants to go and find some homeless people, right, Sam?
Yeah,
We're going to go and dish it up to them, are we, Sam?
I think so.
We'll see what's left.
Yeah, well, that's the trouble because we're only lads, aren't we? we like a little bit of grub.
And you go and ask for money for that, though, wouldn't you?
Look at that. Look at that. Hey? Right.
Have a look at that,
I'm
bro.
whispering.
He's whispering, that means fuck up.
I'm whispering, mate.
That means that is
I've got a little bit
wicked.
more bacon there. That hot for me, mate. That's good. That's good.
I want to burn your hands now, son.
I'm alright, mate. I'm alright. Oh, that's starting to look really nice, isn't it?
Oh, she's dropped
It's
him.
alright. We get it, mate. We get it.
We said 16, there was 70 all. We're losing her.
If we give her a little bit of a
Push down.
maybe. Look at that. Look at that, Brian! Oh my
coming,
God!
boy!
Yes!
She's
We're
coming!
going in, mate.
What
we
we
have
doing now?
about
Eggs?
eggs. We're going with eggs. Eggs now. Eggs are going in.
What are you saying, Sandy,
Do you
bro?
know what? Do you know what? This is like, to be honest with you, I'm a little bit lost for words, to be fair.
This is nice.
Because we're constructing it. Are they stuck together?
A little bit.
That's alright, Brad. That's alright.
A little bit.
That's alright. What? Oh, where's the sticks, Brad? Where's the sticks?
Sticks in here.
In here. This one?
Yeah. No, this one. In that one there.
That one there. Sticks.
We will school any snack wagon.
Yeah.
Hey, we know a few snack wagons and all, don't we?
Yeah, we do. We go to them. Once a week we treat ourselves.
Once a week we treat ourselves.
On a Friday.
Isn't it, Sam?
Yeah, mate.
Sam's in the snack wagon daily, let's be truthful.
He is, mate, he is. Sam eats all the time, constantly. Right, I'm going to get rid of that for you, bro.
Got another one?
Yeah, I've got another one, mate. I've got another one.
She's falling off that.
Alright, mate. And then, what we're going to do is, once you get that going... Oh, Brad. Oh, mate.
Hey?
Let me have a look at that from this point of view. Oh! Oh,
Hey?
seriously?
What's that looking like, bro?
Go around here and have a look at it. Go around here and have a look, mate. Oh, my God.
He's getting excited, brother.
Right, are we going to lose it? I think we're going to go.
We're gonna go. Oh.
We're going to go. Right, I think what we need to do in a minute is get our eggs on, onions on, lid on, carefully put the lid on.
Hold that together, brother.
She's gonna go.
Gonna go.
Don't go, don't fall. Go full. Hold on, I'll tell you what, Brad. Just for a minute.
Help me, help you, Tom.
Move over a little bit. Let's have a look.
Help me, help you.
Let's see if I can adjust for a minute.
Oh yeah, this is temp structure now.
Hold it up. Oh yeah, look at that.
Right, we on with the onions.
Yeah, do you want to go with the onions?
Go with the onions.
These onions, we've caramelised these onions down. They've been cooking for half hour.
They have been cooking the
Low and
longest.
slow. Have a look, Brad. Show me the onions.
Look at them onions, boy.
Right, just you. Oh. Oh, gold. Oh, gold. This is something else, isn't it? This is something else, mate. Hey? How do you like your onions? Lots of them.
Lots of onions. You know when I go to the old cabinet, I'll tell them.
Yeah.
More onions, mate.
Extra onions.
They never give you enough, do they?
Crispy bacon, extra onions. Otherwise the bacon's normally anemic and horrible. Look at that. Brad, I'll tell you what, mate. If that don't get your taste buds going...
No. Oh no.
Oh, we've gone a little bit.
Oh no.
That's alright, that's alright. Let's get back
Oh
together.
no, Sam. Sam.
Look, we've gone a little bit.
Sam.
Get
What
back
are you
together.
doing, bro?
Get back together.
Sam, you got help.
Don't worry, I'm going here and all.
Oh no. Get that on there quickly.
Get the top on. Get the top on.
We've made it. Once that top's on, we're there, cousin.
We've made it.
Hey,
Yeah! Look at that! Look at that, boys and girls! Wait a minute.
That's wicked, bro.
Wait a minute.
Oh my god, bro. That is wicked.
Wait a minute, boys and girls. Let's get that together.
Let's hold that up with some structure. Hey?
We're going for it now, aren't we?
Hey, G?
What do you reckon, Sam?
Hey, bro. Hey!
What do you reckon about that, Sambo?
Now, that is how you make a proper builder's French
Breakfast
stick.
roll. Look at that, mate. You wouldn't want more than that, would you? Now, look, in fairness, that's so big, we could probably go 1, 2, 3, 4,
That's for
5,
me.
6, 7, 8. That'd feed 10 people there, I reckon. Are you happy with that, Brad? It tastes on me onions. Alright.
Where's the bin?
Oh, mate, that is absolutely beautiful. So there we go.
Hold up. Cut it open.
You gonna go into it, yeah?
I'll cut it.
Go on in. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? There's so much choice, isn't there? There's so much choice, you don't know where to go.
Where do you reckon,
Go on,
dude?
do it!
Go.
Reckon?
Go.
Go on, Brad. Turn that round, Brad. Turn it round. Oh, look at that!
Eat it.
Look at that! Hey?
Go for
Look
the
at that.
That is wicked.
Hey,
Are you
mate.
laughing gear on that?
I don't know. Go on. Yeah! Now that is good eating, isn't it? Beautiful, mate. Beautiful.
That's how you make a proper ball builder breakfast baguette.
Wait until our burger next week.
That is, we look at that egg, boy.
You think this is impressive? Whoa. Beautiful.
Till next time.
Lovely. I'm lost for words.